Hey, welcome back to MarineMax Lake Norman. My name is Leo Johnson and I want to show you this fresh trade-in that we just received. It's a 2014 Sea Ray 260 Sundeck. This boat's in the Sea Ray blue. It's one of the cleanest boats that we've taken on trade this year. Does not come with the trailer that you see here, but one can be provided. It's got about 445 hours on it with some great options inside. Let's go ahead and hop aboard and check it out. All right, welcome aboard this 2014 260 Sundeck. Just a little context on this boat. It was ordered from us new here at MarineMax Lake Norman in 2014. Boat's in phenomenal shape. Like I said, it's got about 445 hours on it. It's in the white interior color, and despite the name Jersey Devil on the back, this boat was lift kept here on freshwater Lake Norman its entire life and serviced with us. This boat has a little sink over here with the drain. There's a lot of storage throughout this boat as well. Being the Sundeck series, it's sort of the family-oriented boat. Got a nice captain's chair, helm chair up here with some switching. And then you've got a head on this boat as well over here on the port side. So nice place to store some items, or of course uses a head with a sink as well. This boat's got a center storage locker up under here where you can put things like cover poles. There's a pump in there for your water toys. Follow me up forward here through the windshield. Again, this is the Sundeck boat, so this is sort of a family-oriented boat. Really flat, wide bow up here. There is a table mount under there, and then you've got plenty of storage underneath all of these seats for life jackets, dock lines, fenders, things like that. Just goes to show how clean this boat is when you see the undersides of these seats here. It's a phenomenal example of a freshwater kept Sea Ray 260 Sundeck. If you have any questions about this boat in particular, want to check it out, give me a call, check us out at marinemax.com, or stop by our showroom in Cornelius and we'd be happy to help. Thanks for watching.